So I got these shoes. When you see them, you are going to gag. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. So if you do get a green shoe, that mother sucker better be bad, okay? If you're going somewhere, it just makes sense to throw those on. Baby, this is a shoe.
Phone hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I
So much stuff can't even fit in here. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, so I am here. My name is Keshante Chantel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys are going to see everything from Betsey Johnson, Michael Kors, Geiger, you name it. So many fun, wonderful things that I just picked up and I wanted to show you guys. So if you've been here before, welcome back, girl. Thank you so much for your support. If you have not been here before, and this is my YouTube channel, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you join my beautiful online family. So I wanted to show you guys some pieces that I was able to pick up. I'm super excited because a lot of the shoes that I will be showing you guys today are so affordable and they're just such cute staple pieces that you can put together with any outfit. So I have so many pairs that I want to show you. We're just gonna get straight into the video. I don't want to take up too much time, so let's get into this haul. All right, so first up, I got a pair of Toms. So these are so super cute. I got these from TJ Maxx. They were only $20. I mean, come on, you can't beat that. I need comfortable shoes that I can wear to work. These are very, very comfortable. It says it has a cloud bound sole. Now the funny thing is with this shoe haul, shoes are cut so differently. So I got everything from a 9 to a 10 to an 11, and these are actually even a 9.5. So they're so cute, they're so sparkly. What I like about it is because the glitter does not like cut your feet or anything or scratch you. I have a pair of Bobs that are glittery and I've worn them literally to death. So these are my first pair, they're so cute. All right, moving on to my second pair. The brand is called Antonio Milani. So these are just, I saw these in Dillard's, and a good bit of these shoes have come from Dillard's because Dillard's right now is having their, I don't know if it's like a summer clearance sale or what have you, but a lot of their shoes are anywhere from 60, well, a lot of their shoes are anywhere from 45 to 60% off. But anyway, these shoes were so damn cute that I had to have them. And this is what they look like. Oh my gosh, the detailing, I love it. There is a sun and a moon and they are so cute. I love that mustard color with the gold embellishment. It's got like the little diamond hardware in the center and they're very, very sturdy. I like the fact that this part is very cushioned. I got these in a size 10 and these are probably one of my favorite pairs because I think you can wear these with jeans, you can wear it with a dress. You can wear these in the summertime and the wintertime. It's just a well-versed shoe. I just think they're so cute and I'm so happy to have them. The next pair of shoes that I got, I got these from Journeys. I have worn them maybe 2-3 times, but they are some really cute platform Vans. I am a girl who loves Van sneakers. I don't know, like they're just really cute to slide in. Now the only thing about this sole is, you know, they got dirty from being in the car. As you guys can see, the bottom is still clean, but I have like that little sticker thingy at the bottom. White just gets dirty very, very quickly, so this is a shoe that you'll have to wipe off. Now I will say, although I like these, this part right here I'm not the biggest fan of because I feel like my feet does get kind of hot after a while. It's getting ready to be wintertime, so that's just a perfect wintertime slide. If you're going somewhere, it just makes sense to throw those on because black just goes with anything. So I do like them, but the fur is just, it's an acquired taste. All right, so the next pair of shoes that I got, I've been a fan of this designer since I was a little girl. Her products, her earrings, necklaces, bags, everything that she sells is so whimsical and colorful, and it has personality. That's what I like about her. And she is Betsey Johnson. So I got these shoes. When you see them, you are going to gag. Baby, you gonna gag. Okay. So these shoes are so cute. They are rhinestone out. OMG. Their platform, as you guys can tell, I love the platform. I love the platform shoe. So OMG, look at these shoes. They're super cute. They are just studded out. I have not worn these yet, but I'm so excited to wear them. They're very comfortable. The inside material is kind of like I'd probably say like a khaki material. They're very soft, and I just feel like this green color, I mean, green is a color that is just, not everybody gets a green shoe. So if you do get a green shoe, that mother sucker better be bad, okay? It better be bad. But these are so cute. I feel like you could style this up in so many different ways. Like, I already have outfits planned. I like the fact that even the tongue on them has like the rhinestones. So if you have a chance to stop by Dillard's and check out their clearance shoes, you should, because you will find a lot of items. Like, you will find so much stuff. So the next pair of shoes that I got is from a designer that I had never heard of. Honestly, his stuff is rather expensive, but I still like it. They're called, or he's called Kurt Geiger. So I will say Kurt Geiger's stuff does remind me a little bit of Betsey Johnson. But you guys, look at these shoes. More platforms, rhine studded. This piece right here with this hardware, this little birdie or eagle, I don't know what it is, but this is his signature piece. You can find this on all of his boots, all of his shoes. You'll find it on his handbags. And then the evil eye is another thing that this brand, I've noticed, puts on a lot of their stuff. On the back, there is the leather heel part with the Kurt Geiger London. Inside, it's leather and also like that khaki material right here on this part. Now, I will say with these shoes that I've noticed, size up. With Kurt Geiger stuff, all of it is cut very small, so you have to size up. But even though it is a little pricey, I will say the quality of the brand is really good. The quality of the pieces is good. They also send you, or you pay for, honestly, some extra little rhinestones in the event that, you know, you get a couple stones missing off your shoes. I think that is so dope. And yeah, I really like these. Now, I will say Kurt Geiger is a brand that I would definitely, that's a brand that is comparable to Michael Kors in prices. So yeah. And speaking of Michael Kors, I got a pair of Michael Kors shoes. Now, these are so cute. For me, I like them because you can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with a dress, sweaters, what have you. I love the monogrammed Michael Kors right here, and then you have like a little gold hardware piece with the MK symbol right here. These shoes were only $40.25. Like, oh my gosh. I'm telling y'all, Dillard's is on it right now. They are on it. So these shoes, I don't know if it's 100% genuine leather. I doubt it, but it does have like that rope. I don't know what this is called, but it's like a rope material on the inside. Now, you know, I feel like after a while, these types of shoes are not an all-day shoe, because if your feet tend to rub, I push my feet towards the front of the shoe. So after a while, I probably think if I don't wear these with like those socks that are very, very small, anklet socks, then after a while this would possibly irritate my foot. But these shoes are so cute, and I got a matching handbag to go with them, but that is going to be shown in my part 2 video. And I picked up another pair of Michael Kors shoes as well. They remind me a little bit, not entirely, but just slightly like the Balenciaga slide-in ones. But these are so cute. These are like if you are getting like athletic wear. So a lot of girls now, we buy athletic wear not to go work out, but just to do our errands. And I feel like these would be some really cute shoes that you could just throw a pair of leggings on, a t-shirt, maybe a little sweater, some sunglasses, and a nice purse, and that is your outfit, and you look super cute and sporty. So last but not least, I'm gonna move on to some heels that I got. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with Tasha Washa. Tasha Washa, she is a beauty guru. She does makeup, hair tutorials, and she vlogs as well. She had on a pair of pink shoes in, I want to say it was either Aaliyah's face vlog or Tasha Washa's vlog, one of them. But anyway, they were some Gianni Bini pink heels, and they were so bad, and I just I had to have them. They were so pretty, and like, guys, look at that. That is a shoe, baby. This is a shoe, okay? So the pink rhinestones at the bottom just sets the heel apart from any other shoe. I would probably say this is a 4 to 5 inch heel, not necessarily a 6. It's high, but this shoe has cushion on the inside, and I have not worn heels in a very long time. So I'm going to, as I age, I'm gonna need support. I'm gonna need comfort when it comes to heels. I used to wear heels all the time when I was younger, but just when you start working in retail and whatnot, it's just kind of, you're in flats all the time. So I absolutely love this shoe. This plastic part is very durable and sturdy. Gianni Bini is just a shoe brand that is really good quality. So again, I got these in a size 11, and I typically wear between a 9.5 to a 10 in a heel. So with this brand, you do have to size up because they tend to be cut a little smaller, but those shoes are fabulous, darling. All right, and last but definitely not least, another shoe brand. I introduced this one a little earlier on in the video. This one is by Antonio Milani. These shoes are super gorgeous. And again, Antonio Milani, just like Kurt Geiger, has that signature day and night, sun and moon kind of deal. And this is the shoes that I got. So they're platform heels. Now, I like the sun and moon kind of theme because it does let you know that these shoes can be worn during the daytime if you're going to brunch with friends, or if you just want to dress up cute, or they can be worn at night if you are going to dinner with your boo, or if you're just taking yourself out to dinner. But these shoes are so cute. They're black. They go with anything. I like the fact that they were so comfortable to walk in, and I love the embellishment in the front. Again, they are cushioned at the sole part, and very, very comfortable. So that is it. That is all. I probably, for, I don't know, 9 pairs of shoes, I only paid like a couple $100. Not a whole lot of money, because if you think about the original price of all these shoes, they were typically original price between $100 to $200, and like literally I've saved so much money. So if you haven't had a chance, please stop by Dillard's, Journeys, where else did I go? TJ Maxx and pick you up some new shoes, because a lot of brands are doing markdowns right now, and that is the best time to get shoes. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in.